DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump Media stock is a buy or not. So watch this short video till the end to find out. Looking at it with Trump Media, not really a buy right now. It's kind of flat for the day. I mean, 3 days into the week, already down 8 to 9%. It's really not looking that great, honestly. Like if I zoom and check it out from a broader picture, you're gonna see that the way that I was approaching this market is I wanted to see a double break, so something like this, and then when I'll start taking it higher. But that's on the daily chart. So if the price doesn't give me that, I'm not gonna buy. And honestly, like doubling down on the short, lower time frame bearish side, it's not what I'm gonna do because I'm not interested. It's a lot of hassle, you know. So I'm just gonna use what has worked for me for right now. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. All reviews 5 stars.